back here again with a tutorial on parallel processing. So we're going to start with parallel compression. And so typically we've got our drums here we're going to work on. Right, normally you go about compressing something similar like this. Right, so that was just, normal compression. But what we're going to do is we're going to group it. Command G creates group. You can also right click up here and hit group. And then right click in the little area here, create chain. Anytime we do a doubling of a chain here, if you do a -6 into each reduction of each volume there, you'll get the exact same volume you were at before. Right. So now what we're able to do though is really crank down all these drums. Right? Look how flat they are. Now, pretty dope. Right, so in terms of melodies, parallel processing, some cool little tricks here on delays, right? So let's go with this ping pong delay. So typically, you got your boring, right? Group it, create a chain, -6, not +6, that'll get you in trouble. -6, and just that is alone, this alone. Now go one step further. So this is our dry signal, and this is our delayed signal. Take and do a hard pan. And in this scenario, because Ableton's pan laws are not correct, you're gonna have to do a +3. Look at that. Took that already pretty dope loop and we made it even doper. I would probably do something more like this. See how wide that whole song just got. Anyway, that is a bit of parallel processing.